Hi, welcome back to Fresh Faces New Ideas. My name is David. If you like the channel and you want to keep up to date with what I do, please subscribe. Please follow me on Twitter at Faces Ideas. Now, this video is going to be about the idea of whether less voters is better versus having people in office who don't follow up with the things that the voters want. Now, let's talk about constituents a little bit more. Because like I covered yesterday, there's this Republican push, and their argument for rolling back voter rights is we need to have better voters, so it's okay to have less. That's one of their arguments. That's one of the things that they're pushing. At least 3 times it's been said. Now, that is an incredibly dumb argument. The idea that we have less voters but better will be better for us is stupid because the people who are sent there don't care about what their voters think. Well, then why do we keep sending them? Because like I said in the gerrymandering aspect, it doesn't matter. They're going to be in those positions because of who they are, because of the name next to them. And let's look at a good example of this. We're going to look at Missouri. Now, Missouri, Josh Hawley's state, voted for Medicare. They had a referendum in the last election to expand Medicare, and it passed. The Republicans in charge of that are not funding it. What would happen if they expanded Medicare? As many as 275,000 additional Missourians could get coverage if there's funding for the program. 250,000. On the House floor, this is the budget House Budget Chairman Committee. Medicare expansion is wrong for Missouri. I think it's wrong for the budget. Federal government covers 60% of the cost. Compare that to Washington, covers only 60%. 90% of the cost will be covered. Will be covered for this expansion. They are not doing the will of the people. 6 percentage points to expand this. This is an expansion for healthcare for people. It is being covered mostly by the federal government from either Obamacare or the American Rescue Plan. Missouri is currently running a surplus, and their response is it's going to cost us too much in order to make sure that almost 300,000 people are covered by Medicare. Now, for those jackasses who say having less voters is better, explain to me how people voting for something. Oh, here it is. Additionally, the American Rescue Plan, which President Biden signed into law last month, compels the federal government to pitch an extra 5% cost of the new expansion in states. In Missouri, that would amount to $1 billion over the next 2 years, according to the Center for Medicare and Medical Service. So they're only covering 5%. Now, let me continue my other thought. For those of you who are telling me that having more aware constituents, but less of them, would be the answer, how is it the constituents' fault that they did their job? They voted for the thing that they wanted. They went to the polls, they voted, and they made their voices heard. The people who they sent there, unfortunately, said, screw you, I know better than you. That's not how this is supposed to work. And the answer is, you vote all of those people out. You don't change the voting base, you change the people in charge. That's how America is supposed to work. Thanks for watching. If you like this content, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and that'll keep you up to date on all my stuff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.